Welcome to the channel. Today we dive into something extraordinary. 10 essential questions and answers about 3I Atlas, a mysterious visitor from outside our solar system. Question number 1. What is 3I Atlas? 3I Atlas is the third confirmed interstellar object ever observed passing through our solar system. The 3I stands for Third Interstellar, and Atlas is the name of the survey telescope system that discovered it. Question number 2. When and how was it discovered? Discovered on July 1, 2025 by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile. Pre-discovery images were later found, confirming it had been seen earlier but not recognized as interstellar. Question number 3. Why do scientists think it's interstellar, not from our solar system? Its orbit is hyperbolic, meaning it's not gravitationally bound to the Sun. It's just passing through. Its speed and trajectory are too extreme for a typical solar system comet or asteroid. Question number 4. What do we know about its composition and appearance? It has an icy nucleus and a surrounding coma, gas and dust, like a comet. Recent studies show its coma has abnormally high amounts of CO relative to water, very different chemistry from typical comets in our solar system. That unusual composition suggests 3I Atlas formed under very different conditions than our comets. Question number 5. How big is it, and will it stay in the solar system? Its nucleus is estimated around 1 kilometer, or maybe a bit larger. Estimates are still being refined. Because of its hyperbolic orbit, 3I Atlas will not stay. After passing through, it will head back into interstellar space and never return. Question number 6. Why is 3I Atlas so important to science? It gives scientists a rare opportunity to study material from another star system, something we cannot get from meteorites or comets of our own system. Its unusual composition may show how planetary formation works under different conditions elsewhere in the galaxy. Question number 7. When is the best time to observe it from Earth? Closest approach to the Sun, perihelion, is around October 30th, 2025, about 1.4 AU from Sun, slightly inside Mars's orbit. It will never come very close to Earth. Its closest pass remains about 1.8 AU, almost equals 170 million miles out 270 million kilometers, so it's safe. Question number 8. Can 3I Atlas hit Earth? Should we worry? No, there's no danger. Scientists confirmed it will not approach Earth closer than 1.8 AU. Its orbit and speed make any collision impossible. Question number 9. What mysteries or surprising findings did 3I Atlas bring? The extremely high CO2 and H2O ratio in its coma is very unusual, much higher than any known comet from our system. That suggests its home star system had very different chemistry or conditions than our Sun system, giving clues about the diversity of planetary systems across the galaxy. Question number 10. What can we learn from 3I Atlas? What comes next? Each measurement helps scientists compare our solar system to others, understand how planets' comets form in different environments, and refine models of cosmic formation. As detection technology improves, similar interstellar visitors might be discovered more often, expanding our knowledge of the galaxy's building blocks. 3I Atlas is not just a comet. It's a messenger from another star system, a rare visitor giving us a peek into alien planetary systems far beyond our Sun. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, write in the comments which space mystery you want us to explore next. Until then, see you among the stars.